Let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve your issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on Google Pixel 10. So the first thing that we can do is open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and you want to make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we are not even aware of that, so just make sure that it is off. Then we can go to the Internet, and what you can do is you can simply disable and re-enable Wi-Fi. Simple as that. Sometimes this simple thing can help you. Over here in the top right corner, there is also a button that allows you to reset your internet completely. So we can use that button in case something goes wrong to see if that helps. And sometimes this works. If that doesn't work, what you can also do is go to Network Preferences. And for example, over here we have turned on Wi-Fi automatically. So you might want to turn it on or off depending what you have what is set right now essentially. So if it's disabled, turn it on. When it's enabled, turn it off to see if that helps. But essentially, this option allows you to just go back to Wi-Fi if you, for example, enter your home, if there is a connection available in the nearby that you were connected to in the past. But besides that, we can tap on the Wi-Fi network that you are trying to connect to. And in here, we have the auto connect option. So for example, if your Wi-Fi gets disconnected after some time, then you might want to turn this option on. Besides that, you can also just simply forget the network and try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. So you should be able to find it on this list and try to connect again by entering the password again. If the network is not available on this list, even though it should be, you can try to go to Save Networks to see if it's here, and you can just forget the network here as well. And you can also re-enable the auto connection if it was disabled. And also, if you have the Wi-Fi QR code, for example, then you can go to Add Network and scan the Wi-Fi QR code, so you can try to connect with your Wi-Fi like this instead of using the password. However, if none of this helps, what you can also do is we can go back to Settings. Now we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to System, and then here in System you should be able to find Reset Options, where we have Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We want to reset these settings, and afterwards, of course, we want to reconnect to our network. So keep in mind that, of course, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are not separated over here, so you will reset also all your Bluetooth devices. You will forget them on your phone, so you will have to reconnect your Bluetooth devices again. And we're gonna go back, go to Network and Internet, open Internet, and of course connect to your network again. And hopefully this time everything will work. Besides that, make sure that you actually have an issue with your Wi-Fi network on your phone and just your phone. Because for example, if you have other devices that use the same Wi-Fi network, you can check if you have Wi-Fi on those devices, if you can connect to the same network. If you cannot, as well, just like on your phone, then it might mean that you have issues with the Wi-Fi itself, rather than issues with Wi-Fi network not working just on your phone. So just double check if that's the case. And in that case, if that happens, if the Wi-Fi is not working at all, then of course you might want to contact your Wi-Fi provider. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.